The next activity that we're going to work on is rib breathing. Now, rib breathing has a similar effect in terms of down-regulating the neurological system. However, it creates a lateral connection, so it has a different connective capacity than the back to front breathing. A lot of times we will always focus on back to front, so sometimes it's interesting to have the experience of feeling the expansion going in and out from a different angle. Also, sometimes it can allow you to attune into what's going in your body in those different states. So we'll start with the rib breathing with your hands actually on your ribs, and then we're going to actually move into the head as a secondary breathing exercise. So when you do rib breathing, what you're going to do, instead of squeezing as you breathe in, you're actually going to squeeze as you breathe out. And when I talk about squeeze, I just mean a very, very gentle squeeze. Nothing strong, nothing intense. So you're going to inhale as normal, and then as you exhale, just give a gentle squeeze. You'll find that one of the effects of having squeezed your ribs as you breathe out is that you can also extend the exhale. And again, this is the key focus, is to extend the exhale. So relax when you're inhaling. You can still have your hands on your ribs, but you don't have to squeeze. And have that gentle squeeze as you exhale. Now, a way to extend this activity is to also do it around your head. So you're going to place your hands on either side of your head, and you're going to give your head a gentle squeeze as you exhale. So again, inhale normally with a relaxed body. Now you'll find that as you do that exercise, you can actually feel the air move into your brain as well. And that's kind of one of the nice effects of doing this exercise, is a lot of times we focus on the way that the air enters our cavity, in our chest cavity, in our stomach, but we don't necessarily think about the way that that air expands to different parts of our body, including our head. This is a really nice activity to do if you're having a headache or you're having head pain. I like to do it with my eyes closed, but you might decide that you like to do it with your eyes open. So we'll just try it one more time. Place your hands gently on either side of your head, and then breathe in as normal, and a gentle squeeze on the exhale.